Here's a nice 2006 Cooper Mini S convertible. These cars were powered by a 1.6 liter. It was 168 horsepower, but a very nimble, agile, quick little sports car. Considering the size, very fun to drive. That is a supercharged 1.6 liter, so they do have some performance to them. As you can see, this one is in the silver gray, would call it. Some black striping on it, black wheels. Nice looking car. Carfax on this vehicle is clean, confirms it has not had any accidents, also shows a regular maintenance history on there. So well taken care of Cooper here. I will show you, and I'm not positive of this, if this is like a stress deal or if it was supposed to be in these, but kind of the pattern and the stripe, it actually looks all right. I'm guessing that may be from the stripes getting dry or not. I guess I'm not 100% sure on that, or if it was supposed to have kind of a textured look to it. Either way, it actually looks pretty good in this car. Just to give you a heads up on that. Other than that, not a lot of rock chips, not a lot of dings. Considering the car does have 130,000 miles on it, but obviously these very reliable cars. Any of the reviews that you look at, very reliable cars, nimble cars, roomy for the size of them. The other thing is the way the windshield rake is on these. It's more straight up and down compared to some of their competitors like the Miata, some of the other smaller convertibles. So you get that open air feeling. It's not like the rake of the windshield is bringing the windshield right up in front of your face. If you'd like to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, engine bay, underside of this car, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call too. Number would be 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have on this car. A lot of bang for the buck. These were not an inexpensive small car back in the day when they were sold new. Pick one up pennies on the dollar. Now we do assist with transportation, so if you're looking for somebody to help you get this shipped to where you're located at, we can assist you with that. Center exhaust dump on these. This also has a power top. Push the button once. There's no levers or anything like that to unlock and lock. It's push the button and hold it, and it will lock it up in the front when it's all the way closed, and or unlock it before it puts it down. I'm going to go ahead and run this top up for you, and we're going to check out the engine bay and start it up so you can hear it and everything. So just want to give you the outside and check out up and down, driver's passenger side. Again, not full of dings or scratches. Paint, I would say, is in very nice shape, considering that this car is 13 years old. And once again, clear Carfax, no accidents indicated. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior here. Not full of rips or tears. A little bit of wear up on this front seat, but again, not bad at all considering age of the car. There's pretty much everything you expect as far as the dash, and very nicely equipped cars. Very luxurious for a small, compact sport convertible. 6-speed manual transmission. I don't know if I mentioned that. Paired with that 1.6 liter. Let's go ahead and slip in here so you can fire it up and hear it. Check out the exact miles. I'm going to run that top up and down so you make sure it works and everything's good. Check. Alright. Well, it'll be temperature where we're at here, and tachometer. No engine lights indicated. Only warning light there is the seat belt. I'm not going to put it on since I'm just sitting here doing the video. There's your miles, 130,837. Stereo, center console, power mirrors, power windows, locks, all that good stuff. Now, see if we can catch this on the film all right, or video here. I'm going to run this top all the way up so you can see it in action. Like I said, there's the only button you have to push. Windows go up. Everything is locked and secured. Let's go ahead and go all the way back down with it too. And that's so you could drive it with the sun, just like a sunroof open. And this push and hold the button again. We're going to turn it into a convertible. How cool is that? So everything in working order there. Let's go ahead. I'm going to pause this a second while I get out and open this hood and everything, and then we'll take a look underneath the hood. Alright, slip around back here so you can hear it running. No crazy exhaust, anything like that. Just the smooth purr of that 1.6 liter. Let's go ahead and slip up so nice and clean and tidy this engine bay is. There you have it, 2006 Mini Cooper S convertible. Extremely nice car. Looking for a fun, inexpensive drop-top vehicle with a lot of miles left and a lot of fun years driving it. Here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. And of course, the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And if you'd like to have us assist you with transportation, we'd be more than happy to work that out with you too. Give us a call.